Dorbar na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Ka MDC kasing Voice of the People Party na Malki Laitumkhrah constituency ka kong Deity Majaw kampatla banwan syong Dorbar ha kasnis dang ka Dorbar mangtingka jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kabalalong menta kasni ka 800 kuleber hajar apusan ka kong Deity Majaw kabala sya jiet banlong kum ka executive member ha ka executive committee hapo ka jingalam uba syembor lang renja kum u chief executive committee kalayo banbat iya ka law and legal matters marriage and divorce bat ka town committee haba ka Dorbar mangtingka kelas dang baro hanriungat ki executive member bat UCEM kilasyong halaki jaka bala depen bet dakatanat legislative henry kaway kasyuki jong ka executive member kabalat ho iya ka kerteng jong ka Deity Majaw kalathali kajing bamwan syong Dorbar ka kong Deity Majaw kaday namar ba kadangdon hapadeng kajing sya sumar namar kajing shitom namar kakali kabakasyong kabalaja ha kapratrik uleber haja apusan kalahap syanala ha kasnong Queen Riboy District ha kapor janmiet haba kalawan pai nanong po layo iru bakidon kijing keli kibaya deibat kitnat balabat da ka kong Deity lahab ban jubab no da UCEM uba syembor lang renja
Announce, Mr. Chairman. Subha announced, but the House still adjourned till what?